too. You look cute. Let me see, Sire. Turn around.
Love you, mommy.
I love you too. I'll see y'all, okay? Okay. Give me hugs, Rnyer.
Can I have a hug?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong? I love you.
Love you too.
What's wrong with you? Yeah, attitude. I'm doing a business trip with my best friend, and her husband has joined us because her birthday is this week too. So he didn't want her going by herself, which I understand. Where's Aaliyah? Huh? Where's Aaliyah? Oh. So anyway, one of my good friends is keeping the girls for me. I'm very appreciative of it. The girls is already out riding bikes and roller skating. And leave my car. I think I'm gonna go do an Uber, so I might have to head back to my house. We literally live like 2 minutes away from each other, and I'm gonna be on my way, so I will be coming back. Look at the girls. Oh, this for her? Okay. This is sausage in there too? Or just, what is it?
Well, yes, I said we're down in Old Town Temecula, but
I don't got you good. Our way to the district. Oops. To the district. Woo! You gotta be careful, Fred. You gotta. Toy accessory lashes, and she named these at the. Did you change to LA the Life? LA the Life. Go shop her merch to go get y'all some, okay? Toy accessories. Okay, we are. I'm vlogging. We are at the district, I guess LA. Y'all say the alley. We're about to go get some. We gotta have cash. Do we need cash? Cause I don't get a look. I got the rest of it, on the card. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm about to go down to the district. So we are here. About to go look at some shoes. Are they open? How you get in?
Okay, for this one, let me show you how it the size one.
The black one.
Okay, this one is 100.
They're the big ones. But they don't got a lot of colors. I need some colors. I think I was scared. It's okay. Huh? Then they got these ugly cars. It's Mexican. That gotta be Mexican.
Some people ain't scared to stay in the hood.
Nah, they not. They so used to it.
Especially if they feel you, once you be in the hood, everybody know you is. Security, you got your
I don't live here. Yep. Different hood. So, me and my friend and her husband just went to go look at Marilyn Monroe's house. Let me say, I'm gonna just say this first. I enjoy being in Atlanta, Georgia. Going down neighborhoods look like Marilyn Monroe's and seeing a lot of black people come out. Okay, we riding in the neighborhood, we seeing whites everywhere, and they looking at us like we don't want y'all over here. Yeah. And I just want to say this: Black Lives Matter, and I would never, ever bring my black ass up here again. Okay. You ain't even gotta worry about it, because y'all was clearly not pleased with seeing colors. You looking at the homeless people?
I'm looking at it. The point how they got to that point, they mentally messed up, but they gotta try to.
Day 2, we out in this thing, getting our stuff. So this is day 2. I leave tomorrow. Got a lot of stuff. About to get some more stuff. So stay tuned. I need some, yeah. Are you guys open? No. Yeah, you see how she look? They got all the
What do
way.
you order? They got all the cute little sets up there too.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
How do we order? You don't. Oh, she don't speak English?